Hi guys, it's time for math. We've been working on elapsed time. Elapsed time. The time passes. Because time doesn't stay still. It's always passing. It's always moving. So, you've done a great job using number lines and T-charts to help you figure out how much time has passed. So now you're going to plan a field trip to the zoo. So this lady, so I'm going to put up a card so you can see how you're going to plan your field trip. You know, it always takes time. So you're going to plan a field trip to the zoo. Let's look at our supplies, what we need. It says you need a journal, math journal page, and that is this over here on this side is a math, the page that you're going to need. And it says you can use a toolkit clock, optional. Unfortunately, since we're not at school, we don't have any toolkit clocks, but you can draw one if you need to help you. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. Use the zoo schedule to plan a field trip for Mrs. Bernstein's third grade class. Okay, you're going to plan a field trip for this class. So, show the times at which each activity will begin and end. Okay, I see it has start time and end time in the name of the activity. The plan must include, so you must go to the Predator and Prey show, the Rainforest Animals show, the Endangered Reptiles exhibits, and one or two other activities. Oh, and there's got to be a 30-minute lunch. So you have to have 1, 2, 3. There's 7 blanks. You got to have 6 or 7 activities. Record your plan on journal page 283. So when it says record your plan, that doesn't mean like a recording like I'm doing. It means to write it down. Just to write your plan down. Then it says share your plan with a partner. Well, I am your partner, so then just take a screenshot and share it with me. But there's some other important information before we begin. It says the children are going to arrive at the zoo at 9:30, and they have to leave by 2 o'clock. So you have to keep that in mind when you're planning your field trip. They have to go to the Predator and Prey, the Rainforest Endangered Animals exhibit. So let's take a look. So it's going to take a little bit of planning. We can't just hurry up and write something down. We got to think about what we're doing. So the Predator and Prey show, these are the times it starts, 9:25 or 9:55 is when it would be. It's 30 minutes long. It starts, you can go to all the 10:25, 10:55, 11:25. These are all start times in the last 30 minutes. Okay. So if we first decide to get there and we're going to go to the Predator and Prey show, let's just pretend we're going to go there as soon as we get there. We're getting there at 9:30, but it starts at 9:25, so obviously we can't go to that one because we're not even going to be there. We'll be 5 minutes late, right? Okay, but we could go to the one at 9:55. We could go to that one. We can't go to the Rainforest one because it's at 9 o'clock as well. Sorry, my nose itches. And we won't even be there yet. So we got to think about these. These you can go anytime. So I'm thinking maybe since we're going to get there at 9:30, maybe we could go see the Big Cat show for 25 minutes first. Or go to the Great Apes for 30 minutes. But I have to decide what I want to see. Big cats, I'm pretty positive they're going to want to see the big cats. So their start time, it doesn't have a start time. I can make up my own. So we get there at 9:30. Let's say we're going to go see the big cats at 9:30. Remember, this is my plan. You're going to be making your own plan, not the same as mine. And since I have a hard time with the pencil, I'm just going to use a text box. So, and that's kind of big. I'll just make it smaller. 9:30. We're going to go, whoops. If I can figure out how to make it smaller. There we go. I won't make it too small. At 9:30, we're going to go, and it lasts 30 minutes. The cats are 25 minutes. The ape is 30 minutes. Let's go to the sea lion. It's only 20 minutes. So if it's 20 minutes, I got to figure that out. What time is going to be 20 minutes from 9:30? Well, if I don't know, I can get out a piece of paper. I can go to the bottom. I can do a T-chart and figure that out. So I think I'm going to do a T-chart. I'm going to do it on back here. So it begins the sea lion. Let me write that here. Sea lion pool. That's where we're going first. I don't know, I might have to change this. Sorry, I didn't. Sea lion pool. Okay, so if it starts at 9:30 and it's 20 minutes, I have to figure out how much time we will be there. What will our end time be? So I'm going to put back a full camera. So if I can use scrap paper to figure that out. It starts at 9:30 and it's 20 minutes. Okay? So I know if I add 20 minutes, that's going to be 2. So I could just add 20 minutes to 9:30, right? So if I'm at 9:30 and I add 20 minutes, plus 20 minutes to that, it's going to be, the time is going to be 9:50 when I get done. 9:50. Because, am I wrong? No. Because it starts at 9, I can even make a clock. It starts at 9 o'clock, so 9 should be here. It would be here. Starts at 9:30, and then if I go over 20 minutes, I'm going to be at 9:50. So I'm going to be done. Keep stopping recording. Hold on, guys. I want to switch over. It's not helping me switch back over. I don't know why it's doing this. Technology. There. Figured it out. Okay, so the end time we figured out would be 9:50. That's what time. Now, we have to see all these things. We have this 1 or 2 other activities, so that counts as another activity. Well, let's look. The Rainforest Animal Show starts at 9:45. Predator and Prey is 9:55. We could go to that. And what else do we have to see? The Endangered Reptiles. Oh, it's anytime, but it's 60 minutes. But so I think we could probably go. We can't go at 9:45 because it's 9:50 when we get done. But we could go to the Predator and Prey show at 9:55. Let's do that. So it starts at 9:55. So if it starts at 9:55, it lasts 45 minutes. I'm sorry, is that the right one? No, it's not. I gotta write the title here. Okay, I'm going to the Predator Prey show. Okay. So if it starts at 9:55 and it lasts 30 minutes, I have to figure out how much time, what would the end time be? To 30 minutes. Well, if I have 5 minutes, I'm at 10 o'clock. And so that's 5 minutes. If I add 10 minutes, that's 15 minutes, and I would be at what? 10:15. Right? So that's 20 minutes. And then I need 10 more minutes. I would be at 10:25. All right. Now, I hope this helps you because you're going to continue doing this and make you a schedule for the field trip. One other thing I'm going to show you before I let you work on your own is I'm also going to include a link so that you can go on a virtual field trip to a zoo. The San Diego Zoo, and it has live cameras. You don't need to worry about that. You just can get out of that. I don't know. Yeah, you can just exit out of that. And if you go down, there's a live bamboo camera, a live penguin camera. This one's a video. So it tells you if they've been pre-recorded or not. And you can actually look at these animals at the zoo. Let's look at this one. I looked a while ago, but it was still dark in San Diego. Their time period is different than ours, so I couldn't see. See, it's still dark there, so I can't see what's happening. So, but by the time you get ready to look, you'll be able to see. I could go to this one because it's already been recorded, and we could see something. But I'm just want you to, after you plan your zoo field trip, to maybe spend some time at the San Diego Zoo looking at the different animals and what's going on there. Okay, guys, so have fun planning your zoo field trip. Take your time, do your best job. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.